What's up, guys? Time for a new video. Just seen our last video. We had our pop-up meet. It was a pretty good turnout. Honestly, I really wasn't expecting as much people to show up, but thank you all to those who came. Stay tuned for the next one. We are shooting for, I want to say February 28th, the last Sunday of the month. So we're shooting for that day. As soon as we get approval from the guy at the parking that let us borrow the parking, we'll start a flyer, and for anybody that wants to join, you know, we'll let pretty much anybody come out. You know, we're not gonna say no to anybody. But anyways, let's get to it. I'm gonna stop by Trust Auto Parts. Carlos and Jose, they got some parts that I want for the SS clone. I can't install a double din on it yet because it has the 99 to 2002 bezel and radio cage, so double dins don't actually fit. I'm gonna have to change out that bezel and the cage in order to put a double din in it. And for now, I think I'm gonna just, since Conchita, the turbo single cab isn't running right now, I'll probably just take the double din off of that one. It's got a good I think, what is it, JVC, or I don't know what double din I have in that one, but I'm gonna take that one out and put in the SS clone, since I'm gonna be cruising that one more often for now. You know, I hate it on Sunday riding around with no stereo. It was lame, it was boring. I'm gonna do that for now, and then yeah, once I'm ready to do a full system on it, I'll upgrade to a, you know, more modern double din that has CarPlay and the rear view camera and all the good stuff. But anyways, let's get to it. I'm on my way to Trust right now. I literally stay like 3 minutes from them, so let's get there and let's see what the boys have to say.
Mr. Bimbo, what are you doing? What's up, way? What's going on?
So guys, I got the double din in the truck already. Yeah, I changed the cage and the bezel. Those are the parts I got from Trust. But now the AC controls don't fit. I've seen a couple videos on YouTube where they're supposed to fit. They're supposed to, you know, you had to pop them out a little bit so they could sit flush. But these don't fit for some reason. So I'm thinking that the bezel and the AC controls that it had was from like a Yukon or something, because but even then they're still supposed to fit. So like they're probably from a Yukon or a Tahoe or something, because the bezel that the truck had was kind of custom. Estaba mexicaneada, Mexican engineering, but so it was all cut up and stuff, and it was like forced to fit or something. So I'm gonna stop by again right there with Trust and see if I could get some AC controls for the 03 and up, because that's the bezel and the radio cage that I put on the truck already. If I can find one, and I'm gonna take some and test fit them, hopefully those fit. But I'm right here on Toyla Airline in Little York. Like I said, I live like 5 minutes from Trust, so I'll be there in a bit, and hopefully they have them and I'll be able to put everything back together already.
The what?
¿Cuánto lo acabaste, güey?
¿Ah? Diario.
So guys, I was there at Trust for a little bit, but I mean the AC controls are the same. They're exactly the same, so I'm gonna have to fucking invent something real quick. I saw another YouTube video that I found, and it kind of explains what I have to do, so it's not gonna actually sit flush or like where OEM or whatever. So I'm gonna try that out right now, and then I'm gonna see how it turns out and how it looks. Well, guys, I got the double din in already. I'm leaving the shop, going home, taking a nap. I'm tired. I've been waking up early all week, and I get off late from work, so I'm a little tired. So I'm gonna take a quick nap, cause tonight hay desmadre on Calikis. So I'll probably take my camera out there a ver si estas bola de güeyes hacen su desmadre como siempre. A ver si grabo unas pocas babosadas que hacen. Para a ver qué pasa later tonight, guys. But for now, I'm gonna go take a nap. So my boy Goldie, the previous owner of the clone, he hit me up that he found the bottom grill for the bumper in his backyard. He found the whole bumper basically and he took it off. Y ahorita acá me lo trajo so I can put it on the clone. Vamos a ver.
Hell yeah. That bitch. Yeah, it is. What the fuck is this for? I don't know.
You miss your truck, Goldie?
A little bit.
A little bit. From a tacuache to another tacuache.
Yeah.
It's in good hands though, buddy.